What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today we have a quick and easy recipe for you guys. Today we are making some Haitian spaghetti. I love this dish. I remember when I was in Haiti, I used to have it for breakfast and it will hold me up until lunch. So we're going to make it today. And the seasoning that we are using today for this dish is the organic green seasoning. If you're interested and want to see how I make it, please keep watching.
Cooking Made Easy.
Before we start with our recipe, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Bon Gout Seasoning. Bon Gout Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell all-in-one organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning that come in 3 heat flavor: regular, mild, and spicy, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you're interested in trying our product, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. Before we start, let's present our ingredients. So I have some chopped onions, I have some chopped bell peppers, and I have some hot dogs. I am using turkey hot dogs. I already cut them. I have some tomato sauce. My tomato sauce, I mix it with a little bit of tomato paste and some oil, and we are using the organic green seasoning. This organic green seasoning is very easy to use, so versatile, and is also safe for people who are vegetarian and vegan, and it is also gluten free. When you are using this seasoning, please make sure to minimize your salt intake. Alright, let's start with the recipe. Before I started the video, I went along and prepared all my ingredients. I already have my water boiling for the pasta. When you are cooking your spaghetti, make sure you follow the direction that is in the box or the bag that you are using. How I prepare the water is I just add some water in a pan, add some oil, and add some salt. And now we are going to let our pasta cook, and after that we're going to start preparing our spaghetti. While my pasta is cooking, guys, real quick, I want to let you know that in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipes, I also post video on how I run my business, how I prepared my seasoning, how I bottle them and seal them, and I also post packaging videos on how I package and ship my orders to my customers. And I also share a lot of business tips, including how I run my business. If that is something that interests you, please consider subscribing. Alright guys, now the spaghetti is ready. I am going to drain it and run it under some cold water so it doesn't overcook. And after that, we are going to start making the spaghetti. Now I added the hot dog so it can fry, and I like when the hot dog gets brown. Now that the hot dogs is getting brown, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the green seasoning. 2 tablespoons. And this is what our green seasoning looks like. I added 3 tablespoons. Keep stirring. Now I'm going to add onions, bell peppers. Just keep stirring until the bell peppers and the onion get tender. Now I'm going to add my tomato sauce. going to add some seasoning salt. Not too much because the organic seasoning already has salt in there. After we let our sauce simmer for 5 minutes, then we are going to add the spaghetti. And mix everything together. Okay guys, this is our final result. We are done. Now we can begin plating. You can hear this sizzle. Our spaghetti dish is done. Now we can begin plating. I hope you guys try this recipe. Very easy to make and bring back so many memories. This is the final result. I hope you guys try this recipe and comment below. Let me know what you think about it. And if you have any comment and suggestion, please share them with me as well. Sometime when I make this dish, I usually serve it with hard-boiled eggs, but I wanted to keep it simple today. And sometimes you can also serve it with some salad as well. And in this channel guys, I post multiple quick and easy recipe in a week. If you like what you see and you are into quick and easy recipe, please consider subscribing. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and as always, I'll see you next time. Bye!
Cooking made easy.